Okay, depending how detailed you want to get, if you wanted to just kind of go in here and kind of pinch the centers a little bit, well, it's like a luster dust on there, to make those parts stick up a little bit like a real pineapple, you can. Just kind of go this way and this way. You can't wait too long before because the fondant, actually right here, you can see where it's starting to crack a little bit because it's almost been too long. Another thing you could do though is we're going to start with luster dust, and what we can do is just paint a little bit in the center brown to make it look like there's a little like lump kind of thing there. So first I'm starting with a luster dust. It's Canary yellow, and I'm just going to kind of dust the whole thing, especially in the little grooves. Not so much in the center of each little triangle there, whatever they are, diamonds. We can go back and we can take some of this brown. This is cinnamon, and it's a petal dust. Petal dust are matte dusting powders. Luster dusts have a sheen to them, and we can just kind of do a little bit in the center. And also in the little grooves. I mean, obviously we could spend a lot more time on the fruit, get more detail, but this isn't supposed to really take that long, this cake. So. Alright, so then we're going to take some green. I've got some super green here. I just wasn't sure if this is going to be a little too bright. I think with the brown in there, it's pretty good. I also have a moss green, which is more of an olivey, but no, I don't think that's right, so I'll stick with this one. That brown that we put in there first kind of helps mute it a bit. So just in all the little intersections and things. Okay, I'll worry about the back once I get it on there if I need to. Okay, so this is going to be my front. Do I want it here? Yeah, I think I want it about here. Right about there. Should probably put it up against that. I guess I'll have to do that. I'll put it up against, since it's probably my tallest thing, I'll put it up against that to support it. Okay, and then what I want to do is I want to skewer it in. So I need this and a hammer. So I'm going to go through the Rice Krispies and hopefully through the cardboard. I'm going to have to turn it this way. Okay, there we go. We can leave part of it sticking out, and that's what we can do the top of the pineapple. We can we'll need that in a little bit for the top of the pineapple. Okay, let me get my green out and we can do the top of the pineapple.